So in this video, what I'm going to do for y'all is I'm going to go over this weed eater, or actually they're calling it a string trimmer. And this is a 2-in-1, 20 volt. And just going over the box here, it goes 8,700 RPMs, longer work time, auto line cut and feed, fast charging, easy to use. And it actually came with 2 batteries. Oh, this thing also has a edger built in, and I will show you that edger here in a minute. And I think that's pretty much everything on the box here. So I put one of the batteries on charge in there. It came with this charger right here, and this actually plugs into the top of the battery. Now, I have a battery charger that works with these right here, so I don't need to worry. I had 2 batteries. One came in there, one came in there. Here's what I like about this. Check this out, everybody. You get, what, 2, 4, 6 spools of weed eater string. How cool is that? You actually get the full-on weed eater string. You might not need weed eater string for several seasons, and to change it, really all you do is pop that off and then slide that out. And to extend the string, you're going to hit that button while you're pulling on it. And you can see right here is the cutter. So that's a little cutter right there that will cut it off. And here is the wheel that came with this. Oh, the assembly. So the assembly was very easy. It came with a little instruction manual here. And to put this thing together, let's see if we can find it. What I did. So this is all just needs to be screwed. It screws together there, screws together there. This was already on there. The battery just slides in easily on the back, just slides in and out. The actual piece right here is just 2 screws. Everybody, I put this together with 1 Phillips head screwdriver. That's how easy it is to put together. This right here is adjustable. This is the guard that can kind of come out. I like that because sometimes I don't use the guard, but I don't like taking them off. I do like that I can push that in and use it. This is the adjustable head, so it can go from 90 all the way to 45. You see that? And it locks into place. And here, this handle is adjustable all the way down, all the way up, and this will turn the handle 90 degrees. So you guys see that. Let me go ahead and show you guys using it around. I'm going to get some safety glasses. That way, always wear your safety glasses with a weed eater. And let me show you using it as a weed eater, and then I'll show you using it as an edger. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I went ahead and got my safety glasses. I'm over here by my fence rail right here. I'm going to use it as just a weed eater first. Let me adjust it just a little bit more. Here's the bumper guard on there. So let's move that bumper guard in just a little bit. Oh yeah, this thing's working great. Now to add more string to it, if you guys want to see how to add string, hit this button. As I'm hitting that button, I'm pulling it. See, it comes out just very lightly. Now what it's going to do, it's going to cut it right there. Okay, so now to turn it into an edger, what you do, you get the wheel and it just pops down on there. It's a little wonky to get on there, but once it gets on there, now you can turn it like that right there. Here's the cool part about it. You actually grab this, and now I can turn completely like this. So my other one, I have to actually turn my hand, but watch this. Y'all see how it does? Let's take it over to the sidewalk and let me show you how the edger works. Okay, now I'm over here at my driveway. So I actually used it a little bit right there. I'm just gonna show you guys how this works. So you see the edger parts on there? All you're gonna do is let it line up just like that, and then you walk down it like this. So I'm gonna edge all along that and then run down through there. I've already edged this a little bit, but you know what? We're gonna edge it again. It's definitely easy to roll. Yeah, I don't see any issues at all using this as an edger or as a weed eater, or actually if you want to use it as a small little lawnmower, I think it'd work just fine. It can compact down. All you got to do is unscrew that, lower the handle down, and it will get a lot smaller. Like I said, I think this thing weighs, with the battery, you're probably looking at around about maybe 8-9 pounds total as far as like lifting it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the little light duty kind of 20 volt weed eater slash edger. See y'all in the next video.